Hi guys, this is Ruff, and here we will have an unboxing here of a smartwatch which is called the Haylou Solar LS05. So let's open this up. Alright, and this smartwatch is from Haylou, which is a sister company, or I think a sub brand of Xiaomi itself. So this is a cheap smartwatch. Alright, and it's open. So here is the box with some free packages. This includes here with a white band, and it looks great actually. And I'll definitely try this one too. And this is, I think, the screen protector. And this is the box. Let's open it up right now. So the packaging looks great, and according to the box, it does have a metal body, 12 sport modes, a sleep management or sleep tracking, heart rate monitor as well. And what I'm particularly interested is, it says here that it's a 30-day standby. So I will definitely test it, especially with its battery life. Alright, let's open it up right now. We'll just remove this plastic. Alright, let's open it up, and here is the smartwatch, the Haylou Solar LS05. So first impression, it looks great actually. So it does have a round shaped watch, and it feels good in the hand. It's well built. It's actually kind of heavy as well, but the weight doesn't bother at me at all. And for its price, it actually looks premium, and I'm really shocked on this. And the rubber is as well made as well. So let's go and check on the back of it. So it's metal as well, which is actually great. And there are its sensors. So you can see there's 4 sensors there. And this is an IP68 watch, so it's a water resistant here. So let's remove the sticker. Alright, and then the bezel is just fine. So it's not the bezel-less smartwatch, but it's okay for its price. Let's try it on my arm. And first impression, I don't have any issue with this. Its band, it does fit well, and it looks great on the hand. So let's try to open it up and turn it on. There's the Haylou logo, and there's this QR code, which we need to scan to download the app itself, which is the Haylou Fit. And I'll be trying to download and pair it on my phone here. Alright, let's scan the QR code so that we can download the Haylou Fit app on our phone. So click that, and it should be able to go to Google Play Store to start the download for the Haylou Fit app. Alright, click install. Alright, let's wait it for it to download. So while waiting, let's try to check what's the remaining things inside the box of it. So under it, I can see some paperworks for the Haylou watch itself, and I think there's the charger there. Alright, so this is the user manual to be exact, and it's cable charger. So it's using here, I think it's own proprietary charger. Alright, although there's no power brick, but that's fine for its price. So once you download the app, you just need to click search. So the app will try to find the Haylou solar watch itself, and then once it shows there, just click the Haylou solar and just click check on the smartwatch itself to pair the app. And there you can see it's connected successfully. So that's how easy to pair this smartwatch to your app. So overall, the first impression here for this Haylou Solar LS05 watch is actually great. So for its cheap price, you will have here a stylish metal build smartwatch here. So definitely I'll test this out, especially its features and of course its claim of its 30 days battery life. So kindly watch out my next video for its review. And thank you for watching my video. Please like and share and subscribe, and see you soon on my next video. Peace out.